Okay, welcome guys. Today's video is about an app. App? Yes, about an app. The app that would replace TikTok. Yep. Okay. TikTok was previously banned in India along with 59 Chinese apps. After the ban in India, US also considered to ban TikTok in US too. And after that, Australia also had a thought to ban TikTok. I don't know how further this TikTok ban goes. What if the TikTok is globally banned? So I'm going to talk about an app that may replace the TikTok app. Okay, this app is made by the world's most popular social media, which is Instagram. Yes, Instagram is making this app. This app's name is REELS. Yeah, REELS. What a name, right? This REELS app was already launched in India this month. And yeah, according to the news in TechCrunch, so they are told that REELS will be coming in US in early August. So for those people, you have to wait till August. Okay, what are the features of REELS? REELS will be kind of similar to TikTok with all the 15 or 30 seconds video. All the features of TikTok would be coming to REELS, but in more tweaked way or in more Instagramish way. Yeah, obviously they cannot copy all those features from TikTok, but they will be adding more better features in the REELS, I guess so. One thing that I want to talk about is about people. Type 1, people who are willing to change to REELS. So these people may want an app that is more alternate, or these people may want an app that gives all the same features as TikTok. So REELS app is one of the perfect app for those people to show off their skills, show off their all those skills that they were doing with TikTok. So those people are willing to use the REELS app. But the type 2 people who are not willing to use the REELS app, these people may not use the REELS app because they do not trust the REELS app. Because one concern is, for example, the most favorite dialogues would not be there in the REELS app. That's one of the biggest concerns that people have. In US, there are apps kind of similar to TikTok, which is Dub Smash, Thriller, and Byte. These are the 3 apps. It's like a US competitor apps. When REELS is launched in US, it will be a major competitor. And yeah, that REELS app is replacing TikTok. So many of the TikTok users would go to REELS because it's replacing TikTok. And one of the thing is Dub Smash and Byte and Thriller is not similar to TikTok. It is kind of distinctive in their way. You have to, if you do not know Dub Smash or Byte or Thriller, you can Google it up. Anyways, that is these apps is a US based type of app. And yeah, what do you think about the newly launched REELS app? Would this REELS app become a major replacement for the TikTok app? And would all the TikTok consumers go to REELS app? You can always share your comments or share thoughts in the comment box below. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video and the channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye bye and stay tuned to the channel.